ribbon of stars where the earth takes flight. It whispers low but burns so bright. Liquid dreams in a silent fight. It's not magic, it's not a spark. It's tiny lives painting the dark. The river glows, the river shines, dancing light in crooked lines. The river knows the secret signs, a glowing stream where time unwinds. Is it the moon or the sea in disguise? A million sparks in a blackened sky. Each wave a heartbeat, each drop a sigh. A wonder you can't let pass you by. The